Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the SocTone 3-step ladder, a folding step stool designed for adults with a convenient handle, perfect for your kitchen and household needs. This lightweight yet sturdy ladder boasts a remarkable 500-pound capacity, thanks to its robust steel frame and enhanced security features, including a safety lock mechanism that ensures stability during use. With dimensions of 24.02 by 18.7 by 40.16 inches when open and a compact folded size of just 2.7 inches, it's easy to store and transport wherever you need it. The top standing platform measures 14.6 by 10 inches, elevating you 27.6 inches from the ground, providing a comfortable and secure climbing experience with its non-slip rubber pattern and soft sponge-covered handle. Whether you're reaching for items in your kitchen, pantry, bathroom, or even in your garage, this ladder is versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, its rust-resistant steel frame and non-slip feet ensure durability and floor protection, making it a reliable choice for any task. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated 24-hour online after-sales service is here to help. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.